Hello people, this is just a very quick video to let you know of a really great sale that's going on until June 12th by AKK Technologies, which is most known for making video transmitters. And it normally has very good prices, but their current sale takes it to the next level. There's deals on pretty much everything that they make, but I'm going to run through a few that stood out to me. If you go to their homepage, AKKTEK.com, it kind of talks about the various categories that their sales on, and they sell a drone called the Cicada 180, and there's two versions of it, advanced and a basic. The basic version is only 88 US right now, so very affordable drone. And it's not a super high performance thing, but I mean that's pretty cheap for a drone with that kind of features. And because it's made by AKK too, it has a really kick-ass video transmitter on it that gives you a lot of range. So there's apart from the drone, there's also a really cool product they came out with fairly recently called the A3 OSD, and it's all-in-one cam, and it's $13.60 US. And the cool thing about it is it's an all-in-one cam, but it's got, in addition to having different ranges up to 200 milliwatt range, it has a integrated OSD that tells you the voltage going to the camera, tells you the time it's been running, and some other little bits of info. But very cool. So if you're running it on a toy drone, which has no inherent OSD capabilities, this will give you kind of a free OSD. And yeah, $13.60, no brainer. And a funny thing about that camera too is it has a 0.1 milliwatt mode, which is interesting. So I guess that would be yeah, I'm not sure what you'd use that for. That's interesting. I'll have to look into what they're using that for. Another thing that's for sale is the AKKX2 Ultimate, which is a long-range video transmitter, $22 US, and it goes anywhere from 25 milliwatts all the way up to 1200 milliwatts. So very long range, very cool, and good for the price. Another thing they have is the AKK Nano 3, which is a little VTX without a camera that you attach a camera to, and it's got smart audio, which is really good. It's only $11.24 US, and yeah, I believe it goes up to it's either 25 milliwatts or 200 milliwatts. So good price, good product. There for $4.50 US, you can get a little 600 milliwatt transmitter. That's pretty awesome. There's AKK Nano 1, another little small VTX, and it does 25 or 200 milliwatt, and it's $9.74 US. Very cheap. There's AKK FX3, which is a VTX for $15.19. That mounts in on a little flight stack, 20 by 20 millimeter flight stack. So if you've got a little mini quad, that's a way you can throw a little VTX onto the flight tower. And yeah, again, that's $15.19 US, very cheap. There's AKKX5, which is a similar product for a 16 by 16 millimeter. It's $12.74 US, goes up to 200 milliwatts. There's the two-piece Pagoda antenna, which is designed by Martin Barrett. And yeah, two-piece FPV Pagoda antenna for $3.50 US, so that's a really good deal. It's quite good. can get a panel antenna, $4.50, very cheap. That's 5.8 gigahertz, 14 dBi. They also have some little electronics like step up, step down regulators, and you get 4 of them for $5.59, which is very cheap. So step up is 3.7 to 5 volts, and the step down goes from anywhere from 7 volts to 24 volts down to 5 volts. So that's, yeah, again, 4 pieces, $5.59, very cheap. They've got a little 1S battery charging board that will charge 6 batteries at once, and has high voltage capacity for higher voltage batteries, and that's $7.19. And yeah, there's other all kinds of other stuff on their site. Even a little baseball cap for $3.19. Pretty excited about this company. They're kind of like I love these little individual companies that sell things for cheap and try to kind of get you to go directly to them. Bold Clash is another company like that. If anybody knows of any other companies like that, let me know in the comments, because I love that stuff. So yeah, I bought a bunch of stuff at that sale, and I'm pretty stoked about that. So, oh yeah, one more thing. Yeah, if you buy above a certain dollar amount, like for example $30 or more, they'll just throw in a free battery charger. That little 1S that does 601. So very cool deal. So great. There's the info, and thanks for watching the video. Click like and subscribe. Bye for now.